Okay, hello guys. So this is Rani Ahmed with you, and we are going continuing with this series of learning iLO. Okay, HPE iLO scripting, etc. So in this video, we're going to show you how to prepare an ISO image. Okay, which for example we have downloaded the ISO image of a Debian machine, or for example the ISO image of the service pack for ProLiant. Okay, and we're going to make it the CDE. Okay, that will the server, the HP server that you have, that you like you have the iLO on, that you're configuring the iLO on. Okay, we will tell that server that this is the file that you should boot from. Okay, but we're going to use the web server, which means that you have to go booting through a network, okay, but using a web server. Okay, we'll see. Now, first of all, I have here Debian Linux. Okay, so press SU on minus, and you take the same idea. Just run Apache web server. That's what we're gonna do, and put a file from which you can access it through the internet. Okay, through the local network. I mean, and just download it from the web server Apache. Okay, so so I put here the password for the root of my system because I want to install, okay, Apache. I press enter. It's already installed on my system. Okay, just install it. Now, next step is you have to know from which folder that which folder that Apache uses in order to broadcast the website, the web page to the world. Okay, so here by default, because it's already installed, okay, on the same machine you have to access it as localhost. Press enter, you get this file. Now this file we're going to it will be actually is /index.html. okay, same file. Now we're going to change the name of this file, so we're going to get the contents of the folder from which it's listing the this file and other files. Okay, but by default Apache will find a file called index.html in the folder that broadcasts from. Okay, and that folder by default, okay, is located inside this folder /etc/var www.html. Now I'm here changing to this folder. Okay, see, this is the file for you to make sure, okay, and be content. Okay, so this is less index, so this is the file contents. See, it's an HTML file, of course, but see here it's called here where let's put, for example, change from here. So put anything. See, it's here writing Apache 2, for example. So I'm gonna just edit it for the sake of you to make sure that this is the file that we're talking about. So I'm gonna type a word just here, hello. Okay, Rani. Click yes. Okay, let's see what will happen. You should see file word called hello Rani here. See, so this is the file that we're going to change its name. So I'm gonna move it mv index data into index whatever else the name. Okay, so I'm gonna reload. It will show me the contents of the folder. So nothing inside, not this file, like this. Okay, so you see the file, and because it's not an HTML, it's HTML2, so that's why you see it's code, not it's real actual interpretation of the HTML. Now I have already an ISO file, okay, which is this Linux distribution, Debian image, Debian Linux distribution. So I'm gonna copy /home Oracle downloads. It's already downloaded Debian, whatever 9. I have one. I remember there's a one called 9, version 9 of Debian. 2, I'm gonna save it as, for example, Debian.iso. Okay, just for sake Okay, so I have here. So now if I reload, go like this. So don't copy the link like this and later add it. No, you must use the local IP. So 192.168.5. Okay, not 51. Sorry, it's 5. Not HTTPS. Even doesn't need HTTPS. So it's the same. Okay, don't use HTTPS. There's no need. It's inside your network. Okay. So this is the IP. So like, if you notice here, the link below here on this side, okay, this is the link that you should use. Of course, don't forget to put HTTP / like this. Don't forget to put this, okay, in front of the link. That we will use that later. I'm gonna repeat that again once we do scripting, okay? But we'll need it for now. Yeah, so understand that this is just only to prepare you for booting an ISO image over the network, okay? And that's it. And thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and tell your friends about it, and click likes. This is very important. Bye.